How to access data folder in Android 13. So if you want to access the data folder in Android 13, then first you just need to search for your files. So you can go for files with Google. You will have that files option, right? So simply tap and hold on to that files application and go for app info. Once you tap on the app info, you just need to tap on disable, which is on the middle of your screen, and then you need to disable the application. Once you've disabled the application, you need to go with your Play Store and you need to install another application, which is File Manager Plus. You will have this application, right? So this application is very useful. So if you don't have files application on your device, or if you're facing any problem with your files on your device, then you need to simply install this application. Once you install the application, you can simply tap on open. Once you open, now you need to go for main storage, and here you need to go for the Android, and here you will have your data or your OBB folder. So that's how you can access your data folder in your Android 13. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.